What if I told you there is a way to turn your social media traffic into real money and you don't even need a product to sell? If you have got followers on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, or even if you are just starting out, this video is going to show you step-by-step guide on how to monetize that traffic using something called a SmartLink from Monetag. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start earning today. No website required, no complicated setup. Let's get into it. So first things first, what exactly is Monetag? Monetag is a monetization platform that's been around for years. They work with thousands of advertisers from all over the world, and they have this tool called a smart link, basically a special link that automatically redirects your visitors to the most relevant offers based on where they are coming from. Here is why Monetag is a solid choice over other platforms. Competitive CPM rates, meaning you get paid well for every impression. They accept traffic from literally any country in the world, so it doesn't matter where your audience is coming from. Fast payout starting from just $5. You don't need to stack up hundreds of dollars before you can withdraw. And they have got 24/7 support, which honestly is a lifesaver when you are just getting started. Now, let me show you how to get set up. Alright, signing up is super simple. Just head over to this particular URL, publishers.monetag.com/sign up. You will see the link in this video description, or you can check the comment section for the link. So once you come to the website, you just sign up with your email address and your real name. Now, here is something very important, and I cannot stress this enough. Use your real information when you are registering. That means you have to use your real name, your real email address, because if your details don't match when it's time to withdraw your earnings, you are going to have problems. So keep it legit from the start. So once you have done signing up, verify your email address, and you are in. It will just take only 2 minutes. Okay, once you are logged in, let me quickly walk you through the dashboard so you will know where everything is. So here, this is statistics. This is your command center. You can see your CPM rates, how much you have earned and how much impressions your links are getting. So in my own case, I check this daily. It's kind of addictive once the numbers start clicking. This is direct link. This is where you grab your smart link. You come over here, you can see your smart link. This is where you grab your smart link. This is the link you are going to be sharing everywhere to make money. Think of it as your personal money link. So to get your link, you have to tap on this place that says add direct link. Tap on it. So you can just come here and tap on it and copy your link. So you can see copied. So this is the link we are going to be sharing to make money. Now we have something called payments. So this one is pretty self-explanatory. This is where you see your earnings, and this is where you also choose how you want to get paid. So you can see available payment options. They can pay you through cryptocurrencies, through PayPal, Skrill, and Payoneer. And finally, the referral program. This is a nice bonus. You get a referral link. Just come here, accept the terms and conditions, and you are going to get your referral link. So for every publisher who signs up through your link, you earn a 5% commission on their earnings. Alright, this is the part you have been waiting for. You have got your smart link. Now what do you actually do with it? So let me go over to my direct link. So just go ahead and copy one of them. So I'm going to copy this one. Copied. So what are you going to do with this link? If you have a blog or any kind of website, you can put your SmartLink as a button or a call to action. Something like click here for the full story or get the details. Let me show you how it is done. So here is my website, one of my websites. So this is a post I'm currently making. So I've already written everything I need to write here. So in your own case, just go ahead and make a post. Write something like this. This is the title. Then this is the body. Then once you are done, just come over here, something like this, please. Then let me create a button. So buttons. So I will write something like this. Click here to see the recommended apps and offers. So this call to action is related to what my post is talking about. So once I have written this call to action, I'm going to copy one of my direct links. So copy. So I'll come here and paste it here. I will link it to this button. So this is it here. Enter. So once somebody clicks on this button now, I'm going to make money. So let me publish this post. Publish. Let's see the post. So this is the post here. So if a reader is going through this post and comes to this page, maybe just once you click on it, once the user clicks on this button right now, I'm going to make money. It's going to generate money for me. The second method is by sharing your direct links on social media. This is where the magic happens for most people. You take your SmartLink and you share it on Facebook, Twitter, which is now X. You can also share it on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, wherever your audience hangs out. But here is the key. Don't just drop a naked link. Nobody clicks on a random link. Instead, you have to create engaging content around it. Just like I created the content here. Just like this post, you can create such posts on social media, on your social media pages, and then include your direct link in that particular post, so that whenever somebody clicks on it, it's going to generate money for you. Before I let you go, here are some important tips to help you squeeze the most out of Monetag. Number one is post consistently. The more content you post, the more clicks you are going to get. Number two, use trending topics. If something is going viral on social media, create content around it and link it to your SmartLink page. Number three, test different platforms. Maybe Facebook works better than TikTok for you, or maybe it's the other way around. Experiment and check your statistics. Number four, don't spam. Nobody likes a spammer. Focus on creating valuable, interesting content that makes people genuinely want to click. That's how you build sustainable income. Number five, use your referral link. Share it with other creators. That 5% commission adds up fast. And that's it. That's how you monetize your social media traffic with Monetag SmartLink. No product to sell, no complicated funnels, no huge upfront investment, just smart content, a smart link, and consistency. If you find this helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on more videos like this one. That's it. Bye for now.